Today we're going to be checking out the oil and changing the oil on the old lawnmower. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is check the oil on this. This is my Briggs and Stratton. It's about 30 years old, and other than spark plug and oil change, it's been running strong. So drain plug's back here. Just go ahead and unscrew it. Wipe it off. Screw it back in. Make sure your lawnmower's on level ground too, or you get an inaccurate reading. Go ahead and check it, and as you can see, the level's pretty much there. It's a little low, but it's pretty dirty, and that's because this lawnmower doesn't even have an oil filter. Some of the new ones have filters, but that's how you check it. Alright, so now that we checked the lawnmower oil, now we're going to change it. And it's best to change the oil about once a year or every 50 hours. And, I would say probably to do it before you're storing for winter, or first when you take it out for spring would be the best times to do it, just so you get it going. Also, check your air filter, spark plug. Maybe even sharpen the blade would be the best. So the first step in changing the oil is to get the oil really hot. So the best way to do that is mow your lawn first. Alright, so now that you got it mowed and you got the oil really hot, now it's time to get it up, the lawnmower up on a lift or up on some blocks so you can gain access to the drain plug. Alright. Alright, we got it up on the stands. Now it's time to loosen the drain plug. So the drain plug has a square notch in it that uses a 3/8 socket extension, just this square part right here. Slips right in there, loosen it up, and then that'll be it. Here, I'll try and get you an angle so you can see it. Up here, right there, you just stick this in, loosen it up. Alright, so put your drain pan underneath. Socket. Alright. Just let it drain. Oh man, that stuff is black. Definitely needed to be changed. Just let it drain for a while until it just all stops. Now here's a better view of that drain plug. Just tip of this goes right in there and you loosen it up. Pretty basic. Alright, so now once it's done draining, go ahead and tighten it back up. Just snug. Now take your oil pan. Take your old jug, old laundry jug, juice jug, oil jug. Put that used oil in there. Go ahead and take this to your recycling center or your local auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something. They can recycle this for you. Yeah, that's black. Definitely needed to be changed. Alright, so come on over to your dipstick and fill area, and this is where you're going to add the oil that you just drained. Some fresh oil back in here. And the best way to tell how much oil to put in is if you have a manual, you can check there, or just measure the amount of used oil that came out and put that back in. But it's usually less than a quart, and you can just check with your dipstick periodically, as you're putting it in, to make sure you get the right level. And for most lawnmowers, I'd say go ahead and put 10W30 in. That'll cover ranges from around 0 degrees operating outside in 0 degrees to about 100-degree temperature. You could run regular or synthetic. Synthetic will give you a little greater, temperature. You can go down lower and go up some higher. But go ahead and start putting in your oil. Alright, so I got it right to the top of the fill line, and so that's full. Go ahead and close that up, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.